Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open the trunk of your Buick Regal. The most common method involves your key fob. Simply locate the trunk release button, which often has a car icon with the trunk open. Press and hold this button for about 2 seconds, and you should hear the latch disengage, allowing the trunk to pop open slightly. This is usually the quickest way to access your trunk. If your key fob isn't handy, or if you prefer, there's an interior trunk release button. For your Buick Regal, this button is usually found on the driver's side door panel or sometimes on the lower dashboard to the left of the steering wheel. Just give it a firm press, and the trunk will unlatch, ready for you to lift it open. It's a convenient option when you're already inside the vehicle.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please consider hitting that like button and subscribing to the channel for more useful tips. On another note, for all you readers, I highly recommend the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in bright sunlight, and it's super lightweight. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
In an emergency, or if other methods fail, you can access the trunk from inside the vehicle. First, fold down your rear seats to create an opening. Once inside the trunk, look for the emergency release handle. This handle is typically yellow or white and glows in the dark. Give it a firm pull and the trunk will open, providing a crucial safety feature. Sometimes, a trunk might not open due to simple issues. First, ensure your car battery isn't dead, as electronic releases rely on power. Also, check for any items that might be jammed in the latch mechanism, preventing it from fully releasing. If you're still having trouble, your owner's manual provides detailed diagrams and specific instructions for your Buick Regal model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.